Introducing Dancy VapourForm. VapourForm is a super effective formwork and vapour barrier system. Freshly poured concrete, green, is vulnerable to weather and ground contamination. Unprotected green concrete subject to early stripping of formwork can crack and undergo unwanted rapid hydration. Unprotected concrete can be vapour-formed up and protected from the outset. Imagine protecting concrete from the moment the concrete is poured, keeping concrete temperature consistent for optimal results. VapourForm allows moisture to be contained and leaves concrete to set and cure while insulated and protected. Substructure formwork with VapourForm is fast, light, strong and easy to install. Without unnecessary, expensive excavation, VapourForm needs only 500mm max around the pile cap. Keep some excavated soil on site, if allowed, to use as backfill around the hole, making the process quick and simple. Once the binding layer or lean concrete is complete and set, erect the cage and place the spacers at 300mm. If the cage can be dropped in, pre-built, the spacers and VapourForm can be erected above the ground. This is a great time saver and safer for workers. Column and vertical steel will require cross-bracing. Remember, spacers at 300mm. VapourForm panels are put in place, with white side facing in, usually starting from the left. Each section can be fitted and folded to save time. The specially designed grid wire forms an interlocking system to ensure the panels are properly placed and aligned. The zip ties or tie wire secure the panels once aligned. The joins will require sealing with duct tape applied with sufficient force to form an effective seal. Bituminous seals are available on specification for the highest level of sealing. Once panels are in place and sealing completed, backfilling is a 360-degree action. Placing the first third of the selected backfill all around the form. Fill 100mm from the top. 3 steps. Save time and money. Step 1. Minimal excavation required. Step 2. VapourForm steel cage above or in the ground. Follow overlap directions and duct tape correctly. Step 3. Backfill 360 degrees around cap, a third at a time until 100mm from the top. Note: if couplers or starter bars are required, simply push through VapourForm. No holes to drill. Dancy VapourForm. 3 steps to success. Visit dancy.com.au to download our brochure or speak to a representative to find out how you can use VapourForm on your next project.